Jurors back in court for day 2 of deliberations in Donald Trump's criminal hush money trial.
Now, the jury resumed deliberations after rehearing parts of key witness testimony this morning. The judge also reread the jury their instructions before the group continued talks behind closed doors.
ABC's Rena Roy live now outside the courthouse in New York City with the latest as the nation awaits a verdict. Rena.
Yeah, Sarah and John, that's right. Well, things kicked off right off the bat today with the jury asking for the instructions to be reread again, and they appeared to be very engaged as the judge did so.
Day 2 of deliberations officially underway in the historic criminal trial against former President Donald Trump. And it began with another note from the jury, adding to the 2 sent on Wednesday. Today, asking for a description of how they should consider the evidence they want to review and what exactly should be drawn from the testimony. At their request, jurors hearing readbacks of the jury instructions and testimony from key witnesses, including David Pecker. The former National Enquirer publisher was called to the stand by prosecutors and testified that in June of 2016, he had a phone call with Trump about the tabloid's response to a potential story about former Playboy model Karen McDougal's alleged affair with Trump and Pecker's decision about allocating the rights to her story. Jurors also requesting to hear testimony from former Trump attorney Michael Cohen and more from Pecker about a meeting at Trump Tower where their alleged catch-and-kill conspiracy with Trump originated.
This is where prosecutors say the plan was hatched. In 2015 at Trump Tower with David Pecker and Michael Cohen and Donald Trump all there talking about how they're going to look out, how David Pecker is going to be the eyes and ears looking out for any negative stories about Donald Trump, potentially to help him politically.
The jury of 12 New Yorkers weighing whether to convict Trump on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records in that hush money payment to adult film actress Stormy Daniels. Prosecutors arguing that 2015 meeting was just the beginning, leading to Cohen paying Daniels at Trump's request in exchange for her silence about their alleged sexual encounter. Prosecutors say when Trump reimbursed Cohen, he purposely disguised it as a legal expense to hide the damaging information from voters. But Trump's defense team saying Trump did nothing wrong. Trump has denied that affair with McDougal as well as any sexual encounter with Daniels and has pleaded not guilty.
There was no fraud, there was no conspiracy. It's that simple.
Now, sources tell ABC News that Trump's legal team seems to be viewing the questioning from the jury as sort of a mixed bag here. Not great that they want to hear David Pecker's testimony, but they are hoping that a second look at Cohen's testimony might indicate that they're questioning his credibility. John?
All right, we'll all be waiting for that verdict. Rena Roy live for us there in Manhattan. Thank you.